To manage or edit your posts, hover over Posts and click on All Posts. This is the Post Management panel. The Screen Options tab enable you to set the number of posts you see on each page, as well as toggling which columns you want to see. Just above the bulk action menu is a summary of posts on your website. The summary will tell you how many posts you have on your website, and out of those posts, how many are published, draft, or pending. You can choose to view posts based on their publish date as well as categories. Simply choose the option you prefer and hit Filter. You have the option of choosing whether to view all posts in a list format like it is currently, or in a more detailed view that also shows post excerpts. If the number of posts that exists on your website exceeds the limit you set in Screen Options, the list of posts will be paginated automatically. Click the arrows to navigate through the pages. If you have a large number of posts, you also have the option of using the search tool to find your post quickly. You can also sort posts by title, comments, or date. Hovering over any row within the list of posts will bring up additional options. You can edit or quick edit a post, delete, or view the post. Editing a post will bring us to the post interface, which we went over in previous videos. Quick Edit allows you to edit key information about a post without going to the full post interface. This is essentially a simplified post interface. You can edit the title, the slug, and edit the publish date of the post. You can also add a password to the post or make the post private. You can change categories and add or remove tags, enable or disable comments and pingbacks, as well as change the status of the post. Checking the sticky post option will enable this post to ignore the chronological display of your blog. Essentially, sticky posts will always be at the top of your blog display until the sticky option has been unchecked. One thing to note, if you want to edit the featured image, the post format, or the actual content of the post, you will have to use the edit option. When you're happy with the changes, click Update. The bulk actions menu allow you to edit multiple posts at once. Check the box beside the posts you want to edit, go up to the bulk actions menu, select Edit, then hit Apply. You can now change the metadata of all the selected posts at once. To remove a post from the bulk edit list, click the X next to it. To quit bulk editing mode, click Cancel on the left. When you're happy with the settings, click Update. You can also delete posts by clicking Trash. Go to the trash by clicking the link at the top. Here you can see a list of items that are currently in the trash. Just like before, hovering over a row in the list will bring up additional options. If you accidentally deleted a post, click Restore to recover your post. You can also choose to delete a post permanently or let it sit in the trash. Anything that sits in the trash will be automatically deleted after 30 days. You don't always have to visit this post management interface to edit posts. When you are viewing the blog page of your website, notice there is an edit link just below the title. Click on the link to edit the post. When you are viewing a full post, you can edit the post by either clicking on the link below the title or clicking on Edit Post on the Quick Access toolbar.